Michael Vandegrift, MCV Realty Group.
You guys now in another episode of Military Minute. We have a very distinguished guest with us.
Our mission is to be the real estate company of choice, to always utilize resources and technology to provide the best service to all of our clients, to be able to provide the options to best fit each client's needs, to treat every client like family and guide them to a destination. Our vision, to be your real estate agent and advisor for life, to help guide you through each chapter of your life, honestly, ethically, and when you're ready.
Hello, everyone. Michael Vandegrift, MCV Realty, out here trying to help people. We'll sell your hive in 25. Well, actually, it's yesterday, so it's delayed. I was in an ALC meeting in Chicago all day yesterday. So giving you the October 23rd, 2024 Three Rivers market report today. Looks like we had ups and downs. Market looked like it's speeding up a little bit by days on market. Active availables were a little bit down, but also so were new listings. So we're seeing, and we normally see a little bit of seasonal slowdown every year. We know December and January are always the slowest months. But homes still sell. People still got to make moves. I'm trying to help people right now make moves, trying to get some homes sold. So we'll definitely make those happen. And if you're looking to do something, feel free to reach out to us. We saw active available homes down less than 1% week over week, up 17% year over year. New listings came in down 12% week over week, down 19% year over year. But solds were up 6% week over week and up 5% year over year. We saw pendings go up 12% week over week, up 8% year over year. Saw median sale price come in week over week, $250,000 versus last year. That's showing about appreciation of 22%. But if we look at the 12-month rolling, we're at a $245,000 median versus last year at this time about $230,000, showing about 6.5% appreciation, which is about what I believe we're seeing this year, somewhere between 6 and 7% appreciation. Days on market did speed up from last week to 24 average, 8 median, and versus last year, 19 and 4. We're a little bit slower than we were last year as far as speed of market on days. Last 12 months, homes sold came in at 4,354 versus 4,376. So we're catching up to that. We're just about 2% down versus last year on the last 12 rolling comp sales. We're seeing active available inventory right now is about 634. We need 2177 to get to balanced market or 6 months inventory. So we're showing about 3.4 buyers per listing. So still have stronger buyer demand, still in a seller's market, but we're getting closer to the balanced market, and someday maybe we'll get there. And even if we don't, we can still help you make a move. Market's going to do what the market's going to do. You got to do what you got to do. Everyone make it a great day. Grace and peace.